So there's Venus, briefly. Well, there she was. What just happened there? I zoomed. There we go. So that means Saturn would be probably like, let's see, I think it's the 20th today. So if they were 2 degrees apart on the 18th, that means Saturn's probably like by the wire. I had to delete a bunch of stuff to even be able to record on YouTube. Just saying. It's 50 degrees right now here in Tampa, Florida. And I haven't seen Venus in a few days. And we got a plane coming. And I have Jupiter barely. Mars is probably technically up by now. Jupiter. I have to make a thing to let y'all know what days you should be paying it. Circle on your calendar. Circle some days on your calendar to see cool stuff in the sky, because there is a lot happening this month in particular and this whole year. So Venus is like the brightest thing in the night sky, and we can barely see her, although I will say her and Jupiter are pretty close in brightness. I mean, well, Venus is at like a -4. I feel like I just saw Saturn like right there above the thing. I said it would be about where the line is, the electric line, whatever. And I could have sworn I just, yeah, like I see like a little bit of a twinkle right there, and then it's doing the same weird shit it did for, I mean, this is only 6 miles north of my house, and I don't know, I see crazy stuff at my house too, but I don't see drones landing in trees. Although I have footage of a drone lowering like in my neighbor's yard. That was kind of weird. Instead of going behind the highway wall, well, I guess it went behind the highway wall where my neighborhood is. Venus. Well, Saturn is definitely there too, but this is the first night I've even been able to see her. I paused it ever so briefly to see could we still see Jupe, and that answer is